traffic has been utterly ugly. Several banks have closed due to COVID. So none to say the least. A bit of obstacles and challenges getting to the parts and getting through this here bullshit, but we're getting there. So now we are about 16 minutes from RDE. We should arrive soon. You know that 16 minutes in Georgia can be fucking like 20 minutes, so keep that in mind. But anyway, we'll be there. I just pulled up. I'm finna get the money together because I noticed they got some old bins in here with some new bins. Had the old bins mixed in with the new bins, so I don't like that shit just all scattered. So I got to get this shit arranged right, all the head, you know, everything got to be. I don't want shit messy when you pay somebody. Like this, just the way I'm just, you know, try to make sure everything is proper throughout the whole process. So let's get in here and see these parts. Ooh, hey man. I'll ring the doorbell. It's already open. Shit open. I'll ring the doorbell. What's up, little princess? What's going on?
What's going on, brother?
Man, shit, what's the business, bro? Traffic ugly on the way back. So mind you, I don't even know what these things look like. Now, Rico said it's supposed to look so good that he didn't even want to tell me when we see it for myself. So I'm hoping that, you know, Rico is a pretty good judge of customization, as you can see. So let's hope I'm, like, really loving what I see. The lip is the most important thing, anyway. Everything's important, but that carbon chin is really important. So I'm ready to see that. What's up, man? You got the tape?
Yeah. Because Aaron thought you had already saw your calipers, so he went ahead and boxed them up and taped them back up. So now we got to unbox them.
Ooh,
yeah, you check
carbon
out.
chin, though. Oh yeah, man, that thing do look good. This pattern they have look way better when it's cleared out than when it came out the mold. Cool. Oh yes, bro. Oh yeah, we looking good. Real nice.
You got your other computer right there.
Ooh. The diffuser. Now this is the side that was
Rough and textured. And then the bottom piece is smooth and plastic.
Oh man. This was totally textured up, wrinkled.
Yeah.
That's looking good, man. And these bracket pieces. When that gets the gold hardware, that's gonna look righteous.
That's it.
He handling with care. Ooh, that's satin. That look good, bro. Bro, that's looking solid.
Yes, sir.
That's looking solid, bro. Oh, yeah. That's how you start making parts yours. Like, Willwood is like no more. Like, Willwood is just the foundation.
We're going to show you the other one.
Yeah, just to see. Just see. Like Marco's Pizza. You know, yep. Marco's, they open up all the boxes. You know what I'm saying? They open up all the boxes.
That's just grease and stuff that was in the...
It's in the bag. Yeah. Oh, my goodness, man.
But yeah. Man. Believe it or not, the real ones weigh more than the dang frozen.
Yeah. Whew. Yes.
Everything is...
Oh, man. Heck yeah. When the gold hardware gets on there with that, oh my goodness, yeah, we looking gravy in the inside. That's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah, come on, man.
All the way through.
Come on, man.
All the way through.
I did not see that.
All right, so all the way 100, I'm totally like satisfied. Like you get what you pay for, and you pay for what you just see you're gonna get. Because everything else, like you want to go to cheap route, you can go cheap route, but you're not gonna get that. So I'm gonna let my man Rico leave y'all his information. Y'all want to contact him so you can get quality work done, great communication, so you're not messing around where your parts at. There's some other shop dude that you left your parts with, skip town, all that type of bullshit.
At the end of the day, like you said, you want quality work, and I mean quality work. You already know what to do. You need to follow us on Instagram at RDE Customs. You can follow us on Facebook at RDE Customs. You can hit my website, www.rdecustoms.com, or you can even give us a phone call. That's right, we got a phone, y'all. Y'all can use that. It's 470-344-9733. Again, if you want that high quality, not 100%, 1,000%, you need to give us a call. We'll get you right. Believe that.
Big facts, big facts, big facts. I'm trying to tell you. They do what they do. You see it. So it's going to be a minute for all the parts installed, but we're going to go over everything once we get it all together, because there are more parts to put together with the calipers and the rotors and all that good stuff. So I'm going to get with y'all. Peace out. Just build it.